Hi, my name's Oppliger.
My name is Sandra Williams.
My name is Kat Francois.
It allows you to do it anywhere and any time basically, as long as you've got Wi-Fi connections.
I think there's something really humbling and really helpful in revisiting things that you've already done and seeing how that I'm actually able to get through the videos a lot quicker. So that's kind of like my warm-up when I'm practicing.
It's a spare 20 minutes, you just go and you find a space. And I think what was nice as well, there was enough moves to do, you know, like the dribbling and those kind of small space moves, which you can do in your house. So I think it's a very home-friendly app.
Something that you say that just triggers me to learn or do something else. And often it's when you're showing about transfer of weight, positioning, weight over big toe, little toe, stance. All of a sudden something will click in my head and I'll be able to come back and I thought, oh, that's easier than I thought, and I was making it sound really hard.
Where do I start? What are the fundamentals? And that's what I thought was useful, just step by step, and you just follow the program. I knew that it's absolutely and utterly possible to learn something online. I think that's the best thing about it. You don't need a massive space to do some of those moves.
Accessible, it's really easy to use. I can put it on my laptop, I can put it on my phone. It's so easy to actually see what's being done. So I'm able to practice a lot at home.